mudi toye Benkin Marolani Balayengoba Gigotore Bukoe Ilanye Geribalebe Ital Iqual Gibalio Pone Molong Wiki Medwin Mamalo Munanwara Anapote yo.
Well, thank you so much, and thank you for coming across this video. Greetings to you who is watching this video. Well, this is a video that is meant to give you just information on what is happening in the home place of one of the biggest persons in the country, that is Chief Justice Alphonse Windolo. Chief Justice Windolo hails from a place known as Patong Town Council, which is a municipality hopeful. Patong Town Council is an urban center located in Agago district in a county known as Agago County, or a constituency known as Agago County. And there has been a lot of developments in Patong, or being born from Patong. You know, of recent, there was the coronation of Lord Casimiro Ngom, also in Patong. There has been a lot of things, Rochupajo idea and Rochupajo events, the coming of a lot of cultural issues, social issues, and so much. And now, this video is majorly to tell you about two key things. Over the next 2 days, that is 11th and 12th of May, you are going to see something very significant in Acholi, that is in Patong. The people of Patong and Agago district will witness what they had not yet seen before. The first one is a person building a church. We had given you several updates here, including a drone view of the church. A church built by Chief Justice Alphonse Windolo will tomorrow be handed over, blessed by the new Archdiocese Bishop of, I think, Gulu, or of Acholi, I don't know. His name is Wahoraj. He's going to be there live to bless it and receive it. Windolo built this for Catholic Church in his own village, a village known as Aloy, and the people of Aloy, I believe they're excited to receive this. And also, I think this also resonates with the fact that the Catholic Church of Patong is also has become small due to population growth, and there's a plan to expand it. But I think the one in Aloy will definitely serve a huge service. It will help the people of Aloy so much, and the surrounding people, not to go far looking for their faith service. And this is under Archdiocese of Gulu specifically, with a welcome blessing of Saint Matthew Chapel, Aloy. So the name of the church will be called Saint Matthew Chapel, Aloy, and the church donor is Chief Justice Windolo, and also Father Alfred Ukumu will be available as the parish priest of Patong Town Council. He will be available on that very day, that is Sunday 11. And also, when you take a look at on the 12th, still the Chief Justice Alphonse Windolo will be commissioning the Patong Chief Magistrate Court, and as well as launching the Patong High Court. So Patong will become High Court. It is going to be launched on the 12th of May. I think this is still a huge achievement from the Chief Justice, Alphonse Windolo, who hailed from the area. A really milestone that triggered reaction from several people, including Udongoto and also Winu Kidi, who poured in heartfelt appreciation to the Chief Justice for considering their home place vis-a-vis the fact that, Patong is at least struggling to be a bigger place in the region. So those are the two key developments, but also information that we have got is on the 11th. There will be youth gathering in Kalong. That is it, we know not everyone can be at the same place on that very day, so maybe some people would wish to go the other side. So this is it. That's a development. I think it's a great one, worth smiling. Good news, worth appreciating. So thank you so much, and for those who shall be there, we will all travel and meet there. Thank you.
Ayaro ke tuani ayaro rat, adogo yo poni adora, agwe twin kawani agwe rat, iye ara kim dom nini.